All right, so I'm live with break 3611. So break. All right, so break 3611. Let me just wait. All right, so I got Chad Beecraft, Mike Walker, Gabriel Tremblay. All right, guys. So 3611. Here we go. We get a box of Series 2 15-16 Hobby. Artifacts 14-15. Two times we get Ice of this year and Ice 16-17. All right, let's do this. Good luck, everybody. So I'll be starting with Series 2. All right, first pack. Starting with a rookie for the LA Kings, Derek Forbot. Derek Forbot, rookie for LA. Next, we've got an update foil for the Washington Capitals, TJ Oshie. TJ Oshie for the Capitals. The Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks, Shea Theodore. Shea Theodore, Young Guns for the Ducks. We've got a Porsche for the Edmonton Oilers, Anton Slepyshev. Anton Slepyshev for Edmonton. Next, we've got a Young Guns for the Edmonton Oilers, David Newsom. David Newsom for Edmonton Young Guns. Rookie materials for the Montreal Canadiens, Jacob Delarose. Jacob Delarose jersey for Montreal. Next, we got a rookie for Pittsburgh, Sergei Plotnikov. Portraits for the Colorado Avalanche, Mikko Rantanen. Mikko Rantanen, portraits for Colorado. Next, we've got a Young Guns, New York Islanders, Adam Pelech. Update for the Washington Capitals, TJ Oshie. We got a foil on the radar. Canvas for Pittsburgh, Phil Kessel. Phil Kessel, canvas for Pittsburgh. Next, we got a canvas, St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Second half. First pack, starting with a rookie for the Coyotes, Max Domi. We got a piece of history. 1,000 club points for the Florida Panthers, Jaromir Jagr. Jaromir Jagr, piece of history for the Florida Panthers. Nice hit for Florida. Next, we got a Young Guns for the Vancouver Canucks, Hunter Shinkaroo. Canvas for the St. Louis Blues, Brian Elliott. Brian Elliott, canvas for the Blues. Next, we got a Young Guns, Florida Panthers, Sam Britting. Rookie for the LA Kings, Derek Forbot. Rookie for the Edmonton Oilers, Anton Slepyshev. Next, we got a Porsche for the Sharks, Dylan DeMello. Young Guns for the Edmonton Oilers, Uli Kaira. Portraits for the Sharks, Nikolai Goldobin. Last two packs. Rookie for the Detroit Red Wings, Andreas Athanasiou. And last one. We've got a canvas for the New Jersey Devils, Travis Zajac. So that was Series 2. Next, I will do Artifacts 14-15. 2 boxes. First one. First pack. Starting with a rookie number 299, Toronto Maple Leafs. Greg McKegg. Greg McKegg, rookie for Toronto. Well, next we get a white card, which is an patch. There's a triple stick. So we get a triple stick for the Montreal Canadiens, all team captains. Montreal, Vincent D'Anfous, Guy Carbonneau, and Denis Savard. So nice stick-to-stick trios. Nice hit for the Montreal Canadiens. Next, we got a dual rookie jersey number 399, Nashville Predators. Colton Sissons. Colton Sissons dual jersey for Nashville. Base number 299, Buffalo Sabres, Drew Stafford. Drew Stafford base for Buffalo. Next, we got a base number 299, Winnipeg Jets, Andrzej Pavelec. Andrzej Pavelec, number 299 base for Winnipeg Jets. Next, we got a rookie number 299, Buffalo Sabres, Jake McCabe. Jake McCabe for Buffalo rookie. We get a rookie redemption, Boston Bruins, but that one is expired and kidnapped. Garbage. Well, next pack. Oh, yes. We got another white card, which is patch now, that's for sure. We've got a jersey patch. 24 out of 75. So number of that guy is 25. So close to jersey number for the Montreal Canadiens, Vincent D'Anfous. So 24 out of 75. What a box for the Canadiens. Next, we got the Auto Facts New York Rangers, Dylan McIlrath. Dylan McIlrath for the Rangers, Auto Facts. And the last pack, we got a base number 599 for the Colorado Avalanche, Michel Goulet. 31 out of 599 of Goulet for Colorado. So that was the first one of Artifact. Really good box. Second box. First pack. Alright, so starting with the Detroit Tampons, dual jersey for the Edmonton Oilers, Tyler Hall and Sam Gagner. So dual jersey for Edmonton. Next, we got a dual jersey number 125, Detroit Red Wings, Nicholas Kronwall. Nicholas Kronwall for the Wings. Base number 85, Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. Henrik Zetterberg for the Detroit Red Wings. Next, we got a base number 299, Chicago Blackhawks, Tony Esposito. Tony Esposito for Chicago. We got rookie number 499, Washington Capitals. Evgeny Kuznetsov. Kuznetsov rookie for the Capitals. Base number 599, Washington Capitals. Nicholas Backstrom. So back-to-back hits for the Capitals. Next, we got a rookie number 999, Nashville Predators, Simon Mosher. Simon Mosher for Nashville out of 999. We got a rookie redemption. It is Tampa Bay Lightning, but also expired. Expired for garbage. Last 2 packs of artifacts. Dual jersey out of 125. Pittsburgh Penguins. Simon Després. Simon Després for Pittsburgh. And the last pack of artifacts. We got it. That's a nice one. Dual jersey autograph. 9 out of 12. For the San Jose Sharks. Joe Thornton. So dual jersey autograph number 12 of Joe Thornton for the Sharks. Alright, 2 boxes left. Starting up, I'm going to do ice this year first, and I'll keep the other one for last. Alright, so ice 17-18. Let's do this first pack. Starting with glacial graphs for the Buffalo Sabres, Phil Housley. Phil Housley glacial graphs for Buffalo. Second pack, we got the Ice Premier, number 149, retro. Colorado Avalanche, Tyson Just. Tyson Just, Ice Premier for Colorado. Next, we just Ice Premier. Yes. Next, we get Ice Premier number 999, Carolina Hurricanes, Alex Nedeljkovic. Alex Nedeljkovic number 999 for Carolina. Next pack, we got Ice Premier number 999, Dallas Stars, Ring Eli. Ring Eli for Dallas number 999. Alright, pack number 5, we got a Frozen Foursome. So this one is a random. Boston, Charlie McAvoy, Vancouver Canucks, Brock Besser, Arizona Coyotes, Clayton Keller, and New York Islanders, Josh Osang. Random. So of course, I will do the random at the end of the break. And last pack of 17-18, we got a Sub-Zero rookie, Chicago Blackhawks, Alex DeBrincat. Alex DeBrincat, Sub-Zero for Chicago. Alright, and the last box is the 16-17 Ice. First pack. Starting with Ice Premier number 999, Ottawa Senators, Thomas Chabot. Thomas Chabot, Ice Premier of 999 for Ottawa. Second pack, Ice Premier autograph number 299, Minnesota Wild, Joel Eriksson. Joel Eriksson for Minnesota, Ice Premier autograph. Third pack is a pick card. Exquisite rookie number 299, Columbus Blue Jackets, Olivier Justin. Justin for Columbus out of 299. Next pack, you get Ice Premier number 1299 for the Vancouver Canucks, Nikita Trampkins. Trampkins for the Vancouver Canucks. Last 2 packs. Ice Premier number 1299 for the Florida Panthers, Dennis Mulligan. This one is for Florida. And last pet. We've got a Glacial Grass for Boston. Matt Beleskey. And we also have a Sub-Zero for Boston. Patrice Bergeron. So that was break 3611. Good break. Let me get set up for the random. Because we've got a pretty nice random to do. So Boston, Vancouver Canucks, Arizona, and New York Islanders. Switch the camera side. There we go. Good luck, everybody. First, second, and third. And on top, we've got the New York Islanders with Josh Osang. So thanks, guys. What was it? I'll be back with the July giveaway in 13 minutes. Yeah.